Welcome back to another Swing VIP robot video. Today we're going to be looking at the total profit that we've had for the fourth week of June, the last week of June, as well as in totality for the month of June. We've officially run this robot on a demo Forex account, standard account for a month now, and we're going to be looking at what sort of profit that we have. So let's take a look at some of the trades. We've got quite a few trades that have taken that's going over into the weekend. We're still running it on the 5 pairs that you can see on the screen: Australian and Canadian dollar, GBP USD, Euro USD, New Zealand Canadian dollar, and USD against the Canadian dollar. So if we look at the current drawdown that we have quite a bit of trades carrying into the weekend. We've got $156 in drawdown. The most drawdown that we've had so far this week was about 30%. But you can see we've pretty much got drawdown on all the pairs. So we've got a lot of USD Canadian drawdown here. That's about 10 trades. And the interesting thing is that we've held this for quite a while. That's from the 9th of June. So almost 2 or 3 weeks that we've been holding the USD Canadian dollar, hoping for it to swing. We've got some GBP USD as well. These are more recent. You can see from the 28th and the 29th. So in the last couple of days we've held that, and then obviously the Australian Canadian dollar has also been quite recent on the 1st of July. So nothing too major there, but I think the concerning one, or the one to watch out for, is the USD Canadian dollar. Let's take a look at the profit then for the week. So for the week, we've up $15, $15.44. You'll remember last week we were at about $20, so slight drop this week, coming in only at $15. I think that's also contributed to the USD CAD pair that we've been holding for essentially 3 weeks. If that was able to close out, I think it would have been much higher. So not bad, not great, but not bad at all. And if we see the total history, so starting off from the 29th of May, let's call it the 1st of June, 1 or 2 days, give or take. We're now sitting at a total of $1,206 in our account, so $206 in profit, accounting for a few days where we've made profit. Let's call it into July. I would say that's around $200. So first month of COT Forex account on Swing VIP Pro from SinryAdvice. And we're sitting at $200 profit for the month, so about 20% of our initial account already made. The max drawdown that you can see for the week has been around 30%, like I mentioned. You'll see the actual drawdown that we've got, indicating on the screen here is quite different, because if you remember, we initially started off with a lot more aggressive settings where we landed up with 50-60% in drawdown, and we landed up changing that to safer settings. Essentially, that doesn't give us that much. So at the moment we're sitting about 30% max drawdown on the new settings. Overall, you can see here 58-60% was quite high. So that's pretty much it for this video. We'll touch base again at the end of July and see how that compares for the month growth, but then we'll also bring you weekly update videos to see how we're progressing as the account gets bigger, how much profit we make along the line. So thank you very much.